How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Outlook mobile application on your device. So let's open up the Outlook mobile app. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can tap on the profile at the top left corner of the screen over here. Then tap on the send option. Then select on the mail that you want to recall. So just tap on the email. Then here you'll be able to see the three dotted lines over here. Tap on that, and here you can see no option to recall the mail. You have the move to folder, report junk, ignore conversation, mark as unread, flag, and unselect all option only. So what we're going to go and try is we're going to go inside the mail, then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen again, and as you can see, there's still no other option to recall the mail. So this proves that there is no way right now that has been provided by the Outlook application to recall the mail in Outlook mobile app after sending the email. Well, you can do that from your desktop, but from a mobile app, it's not possible to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.